In this video, we're going to take a look at how to reduce background noise in audio you've recorded. While there's no substitute for getting the cleanest possible audio you can at the time of recording, sometimes it's not possible. Sometimes there's a fan or air conditioning in the background or some other noise source, so you need to come in and clean it up in post. At Westfield State, we have a variety of mics from lavs to shotguns to handhelds, so you'll be able to capture really high quality audio from the beginning. So all I've done so far is bring in an audio clip I recorded previously. I don't have any video associated with this clip, but if you have a clip with audio embedded in it, that's fine. It'll work just the same. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to right click on our clip and we're going to click on Edit Clip in Adobe Audition. If you haven't used Adobe Audition before, it's a program specifically designed to edit audio. And so you just click Edit Clip in Adobe Audition. I already have the clip open here, so I'm just going to move over to Audition. And so you can see the waveform for our clip. I'll play it real quick. Check 1, 2, 3, check 1, 2, 3. And you can hear at the beginning and the end there's significant background noise. So I'll highlight this section. And you can see it's right around 46 dBs of noise. So we want to get rid of that. So the first step is you highlight the noise. And you want to make sure you don't get any of the important audio that you want to keep. So we'll highlight this segment and we'll go up to Effects, Noise Reduction Restoration, and Noise Reduction Process. And now with that same segment highlighted, you want to hit Capture Noise Print. So what that's going to do is it's going to analyze the section that you have selected and determine what that noise is and reduce it. So we'll hit Capture Noise Print. And now you can make a few tweaks. So I'm going to hit play. You can still hear it a little bit. So I want to bump this up. Maybe something like that. And then what you can do is you can select the entire file and see how it sounds. Check 1, 2, 3, check 1, 2, 3. I'm still going to bump it up a little. Check 1, 2, 3, check 1, 2, 3. So that's a pretty good first step. You can go in this advanced section and highlight each one of these and it'll tell you what they do if you want to try and get a little bit better quality on your noise reduction. I'm going to hit apply. And you'll notice just visually that this line here has gotten a lot less rough. So we've definitely achieved a good result. If you have a really noisy clip, sometimes it's better to work in stages. So apply the noise reduction a few times instead of trying to cram it down all at once, and you might be able to save your clip a little bit easier. So then to get back to Premiere, we just hit save. And then you can close it. And then it'll replace the clip. So you can see our noise is gone. So that's how you reduce background noise in a clip using Premiere and Adobe Audition. Thanks for watching.